police data terminals. So the police data terminals are pretty straightforward. They come with 3 options: a tablet, which you can use as a usable item, as you can see. You can use it also inside vehicles, police ones, and through computers. So I will first show you the config, and then I will show you how it works in game. So firstly, for the config, you can see here we have the framework that you're using. You can use it through ESX, QBase, or none. This is a completely standalone resource. Then we can also use a command through in-game, and if you want to use it as a usable item. So I have these 2 things already adapted, and yeah. So below you can see here, you can also set up the vehicle laptops. Also, we do have a tooltip that shows up at the moment for 10 seconds. So it tells you every time you join a police vehicle, it shows you down right that to open the data terminal, you need to press this button. And here are the whitelisted vehicles. So lastly, we have the computers, the maximum distance, which control that you want to use, and the locations. So this is pretty much it that you need to change if you're gonna get this. And yeah, let's go now through the nice data terminal. So first I will be using the tablet, and I'll show you how it works. So here's the tablet. It's gonna prompt you to log in. So here we are, we're gonna join with our account that you set up. We're gonna log in, and we can see here we have the data terminal. It shows on the top left side who you are, what rank you have, and you can go through the filed citizens, LSPD reports, the active warrants, and if you're an admin, you can change the laws and the staff members. And as well, lastly, we can file a report. So on the bottom of the page, there's also the latest LSPD reports. For example, here we can see that it was a store robbery, that Mr. Clifford Tyrone has been caught and arrested, blah blah blah. This is the whole article that your guys will be writing. And lastly, we have here what penalties they did do. So I'm gonna go now through the filed citizens. You can search here this new citizens, not new, but the old that you filed already. You need to add them manually, because as a proper LSPD, like in real life, you're not a criminal, you're not born a criminal. So if you do like offenses, you're gonna have a file in the LSPD. So here we have Mr. Tyrone. We have identification number, his name, fingerprint ID, genetic code. You can use your own resources for this, but if you don't have any, you can remove this piece of code. It's very simple, and I will be explaining if you don't want it. And you can issue a warrant, or you can either file a report for him. So here we can file a report. Let's name it test 2, and we can also add some penalties. I will be giving also all of these penalties and things from my hand, because we are using them on our own server. So it's pretty much set up already, plug and play. So we can, let's say, add robbery in the jewelry store, possession of explosives, aggravated armed robbery, and they're gonna be added here. Finally, the penalties are gonna show here with the fine and how many months they should be sentenced. Here we press submit, and if we go now to the LSPD reports and search, you can see that here it is. So this is for the tablet version. There's nothing really special through the other ones. It's just different areas. So for example, you can set up your own computers. We have one here. Let's access it. There we go. So you see there's a different screen, and it's gonna look a little bit different. Here we are, but it's exactly the same thing. And also through vehicles. So here we have a whitelisted vehicle. I'm gonna get inside. There we go. And on the bottom right corner you can see it says data terminal. So if I press the backspace, I'm gonna start putting up the data terminal. Give it 1 minute. There we go. And here we have the laptop. So 3 different versions for it. You can enable, disable whatever you want, depending on your server. And I think this is pretty much it. So this is a plug and play resource. All installation will be included. If you want to host this web server in our machines, we do also have that option. So yeah, thank you for watching, and